And the advantage of this over this charges them up.
You're a smeghead! If your space cord erected, you're a smeghead! If you think you're so macho, you're a smeghead! If you married a gal, you're a smeghead! Just coming back to Earth!
Okay, you're out flying your Mavic Mini. Lovely day. Oh no, battery level. You've used all your batteries. They're all dead. So what do? You get the Smatree DP80MN Power Station for the DJI Mavic Mini. So what do you get in the box? You get the power station itself, instruction manual, USB cable, and a lovely little faux leather bag for it to go into. Look at that, very smart that. Because you'll need this. Pop it into, keep it safe. Carry that around, you could probably even get that over your shoulder. But you're most likely to put it in a rucksack. Or keep it in the car. Now obviously this won't fit into the Fly More combo case. Okay, but you don't need to, because you've got the bag. Let's take a closer look. You've got a slot for 2 Mavic Mini batteries there. LED lights, indicators for each battery. Power button. USB. Out. 3 amp USB in. The indicator lights for charging the battery on the inside. It is vented at the bottom, so it's not going to overheat. And it has a 10,000 milliamp hour lithium ion battery. So to charge it up, put the USB in the correct way around. It was the correct way around. Hello? What is it with me and USBs? To initially charge this up, you place your USB cable in the side there, plug the other end into your... What I suggest is you pick up one of these little DJI 3 amp adapters. And just slot that into there. Wrong way around, as usual. You actually get one of these with the Mavic Mini Fly More kit as well, so very useful. Just remember you won't get one of these included in the box, as it is optional. So when I got this delivered yesterday, it comes with about 50% charge already in it. Took me 4 hours to get it up to full charge. So, how do you use it? Very simple. You just take your battery, slot it in, and press the power button once. There you go. And that will happily sit there and charge that battery up. Let me just take another one out of here. I think this one's nearly full anyway. Let's slot that in there. That one's nearly full. And as you can see, it's charging them both at the same time, not sequentially. It's protected for overvolt, undercharging, undervolt, under overvolt. And you can even use the supply cable. Bugger. And you can even use the supply cable to charge the controller at the same time. So that'll get you back up and running and in the air in no time at all. If at any time you want to stop the charging, you just hold down the power button for 2 seconds. Now it is quite a bit of a beefy unit. The weight on its own without any batteries in is 563 grams. Because the weather's terrible outside, I haven't had a chance to get out and fly to actually drain some batteries down to see how many it will charge, but it will claim to charge between 4 and 6 Mavic Mini batteries on one charge. I suppose that depends on how much power's left in the batteries anyway, so if you're landing at 25-30%, you're probably going to get 6 batteries charged out of this on one go. So I will do that in a future test. But I must say I am very, very impressed with this. Not only can you charge your controller, but obviously anything else like your tablet. So what kind of flight time can you expect if you get one of these? Well, if you're getting 28-30 minutes per battery and you've got 4 batteries plus this to recharge those 2 while you're using these, then that's giving you up to 4 hours flight time. That is a good day out flying. So there you go, the Smatree DP80MN. I will definitely be throwing that in my bag next time I'm off flying the Mavic Mini.